Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Pet Listener. How are you doing, guys? Hello. So today I will only put you few photos. Let me switch to the photos because I had an issue with my camera. It turns out that I was moving it off the monitor and place it somewhere, and then the cable at the back has pulled itself off and I start to lose either vision or the volume. And I wanted to fix it because it's really annoying. So I didn't know how to open it. I never opened this camera. I didn't use any tutorial or anything. So what I did is I've unglued this section and I remove at the bottom there is a stand to hook up on the monitor. So what I've done is I found a screw and I unscrewed that one so that the stand went off. So those two things first I've done. And then I didn't know what to do with that. You see silverish a grayish surface, so I've used my I've got X-Acto knives to my red and black knife blades, yes, and I've used one of those blades to lift up this gray color thingy, and then I end up with this, and I found 4 screws, and I thought that this section here it's the openable one, and actually no, it's at the back, and I was really surprised, you know, that went this way. So you can see that the front is solid. Yes, it's solid. So if I would go and start to pry here too much, like as I tried and it wasn't working, then I could just damage more plastic and that's it. So you better watch out, it's at the back. Yes, at the back here, not here, because I've damaged it and we can see that I've damaged it. Good that I've done it on my own. And then I found out with my thermal camera that the chip marked here, this chip, reaching about 50 degrees, believe it or not, quite a lot. For my taste, it's a lot. Yes, 50 is still a safe zone for electronics, but it's never good when everything is reaching about 40 degrees because you might see you know, problems sooner or later, in my humble opinion. And so that is disassembled. So what I done is I just used this cable here, inserted fiber, and I received and disconnected this connector, connected back, and finally I've got my audio back, as you can hear. So an easy fix, yes, and it might come back, it might not come back. Maybe the wire somewhere is internally damaged, but at least you can hear me okay, so that proves something. And I've assembled it by following exactly the same steps, which now was easier for me because I knew the steps. Yes, so hopefully you find it useful. Those 4K cameras, or maybe they are 4K, but because I think at some settings I had 4K, but you see it's like not a good quality camera. Still does the trick, but it's not just perfect. Yes, so I don't want to replace it at the moment, and I want to keep it, and hopefully you've got a lesson how to disassemble this camera, because I didn't know, I didn't Google it, I didn't YouTube it, so that's my learning curve. On my one I can learn, on this and on customers I would watch YouTube first or something to know where are those opening points. But if you've got experience, as you see, it's not a lot of damage. You don't see that it was pried or something with metal, so I would say it's okay. Yes, what I would change if I would do it second time, probably nothing. Probably I would do the same way, yes, because it's quite quick to disassemble it. If you know it, it's just quick method. So I wouldn't improve on this technique. I would watch out to not touch the lens, to not necessarily clean it later, because you can really avoid it, yes. So probably I would only watch out to not touch the lens, and apart from that, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.